How to fix FiveM could not validate game ownership error? First step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Rockstar Games Launcher. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means you need to add the application. Click Allow another app. Click Browse. Go to C drive. Click it. Click Program Files. Scroll down. Search for Rockstar Games. Click it. Click Launcher folder and get the application. Click Add in the bottom side. Once add after, you need to enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Then move on with next step. Right click Rockstar Games Launcher. Click Properties. Click Compatibility. Enable Run the program as administrator. Click Apply and OK. Then click Settings. Click Network and Internet Settings. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset and click Reset Now. Click Yes and reset. Once reset after, you need to open Run and type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Rockstar Games folder. Click it and click the launcher folder and delete it. Once deleting after, close and move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Right click, click Run as administrator. Type the following text: ipconfig space / DNS. Type it and click enter. Next command, ipconfig space / release. Click enter. And the next command, ipconfig space / renew. Click enter. And the next command, netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. And the next command, netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter. The last command, exit. Once exit after, restart the device. Thank you.